Pixar hotel. It's actually at the Pixar Place Hotel. So I just got my room, and I'm on the 5th floor. I just got in, and isn't that cute? It looks like the little Luxo lamp. So yeah, it is super cute. Oh my gosh, they did a really nice job with remodeling. Obviously, I got 2 doubles. They don't have that, well, I guess they have kind of crazy storage. I mean, you could put your luggage down here, but let's take a look, because I just got in, and this is so cute. Okay, so this is the whole, this is the welcome, and, oh, well, there's cute little coasters. Oh, my favorite, Keurig. I don't know where the, oh, 70th. All right, score. Let's take a look down here. Oh, here's the refrigerator. It's a mini refrigerator. But you know what? Having a refrigerator is really, really nice. And, oh. Nice drawers. Ooh, more cups and coffee cups and glasses. It's so weird that they put them in here, but because they have this stand here, so who knows? But anyway, all right, so I guess this is the closet. Oh, nice. And it lights up and everything. Oh, if you need your steam iron, it's here. There's the hair dryer. I hope it works. The safe. Nice. All right, extra pillows and blankets are in here as well. And I see. That's where, I mean, hopefully you have really short, and this would be bad for my dresses. I'm actually wearing a dress today, but, oh look, it's a baby ironing board. I have one of these in my home, and it is perfect. I know there's a lot of people that like the standing big ironing boards, but my little one is perfect. I like that. There's a luggage rack. I'm going to probably pull that out and put my duffel bag on it. Or actually, I guess I could put my duffel bag on this extra bed. Oh boy, which side am I going to sleep on? I asked for a standard room, which was just a regular view, but I got a park view. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, so now and this is the front of the hotel. So really quickly, what I wanted to let you guys know is over there, they do have a special entrance. You know, they have their special entrance and everything. You just walk across here at California, that boulevard right there, and then you go in the back behind those beige buildings over behind the, obviously the clouds are Goofy Sky School. So you'll go beyond that, walk a little bit along that area over here, and then it'll pop you out over by the corn dog place, and that is the Pixar entrance. Now, the guy told me that they close it at noon, so entrance-wise, you can't enter anymore after the noon hour, but it then becomes an exit. So if you're in the park and you want to exit and you want to come back to the hotel, you can actually still continue to exit out that way. That way you cannot enter the park. You'll have to enter the park through the California Hotel, or you can walk down on that street over there. That direction is the Disneyland Hotel, and you can probably catch the monorail. But yeah, isn't this nice? I'm gonna try to do some of the night stuff. Obviously I'm here 4th of July. I know they're gonna have huge crazy fireworks, and it should be really, really nice. World of Color has a patriotic thing going on too. I have dinner reservations at the Lamplight Lounge on the boardwalk, so on the top section, which has a different menu than what is on the lower level, which is the Lamplight Lounge. And hopefully I'll be able to have lobster nachos tonight and bao buns. I forgot to check about the bao buns. I know that they have the lobster nachos on the boardwalk, the Lamplight Lounge boardwalk portion. Anyway, I'm going to unpack here. I'm going to do a quick room tour for you guys. That's my view. I love this background. I really do. I like this. This is so neat. I kind of miss the Pixar balls. They changed them to those little like Tootsie Rolls. But let's see, are they soft? Nope, they're hard like leather. I mean faux leather. And then yeah, it's like a faux leather thing. It's like you know, if you have kids and you have two of them and you have two kids, they could probably whack each other in the head with it. They're squishy, but they're those kind of things like, you know, like Nerf gun kind of stuff that you can shoot, you know, your Nerf gun and it won't hurt your head. So it seems like the beds are soft. Let's see. Oh, it is cushy. It is cushy. So look at, it's got little Pixar balls. I don't know if you can see them. Can you see them? Maybe I have to look on this one. Oh, I already put my big butt on here and it got the bed squishy. I don't know, maybe if I take a picture of it, I'll darken it up and you could see the print. But it does have little Pixar balls on here. And that's actually really cute. And so, of course, I'm going to guess that the Pixar balls are on the pillows too. No, nope. It's just a regular white design. White pillows, kind of an issue sometimes with me because I do have makeup on my face. But anyway, so let's take a look and see what this is. Ooh, these are reading lamps. Nice. Each side has one, of course. Just push it in. Fancy. Ooh, the best. All these. Oh, and here's a light. Ooh. I know, it's been a long time since I've been in a new hotel, right? Sounds like it. But anyway, the last time I was here, it was still beachy themed. So, you know, that's why. I mean, this is kind of really, really nice. It's kind of interesting because, you know, the old rooms felt like they were like so, what do you call it? Kind of claustrophobic a little bit in sometimes, but this one seems so spacious now that it's got open areas. These are the best curtain rods I've seen. So let's see. This is the air conditioning unit, and when I got in, it was super hot in here. Could not figure out how to use the thermostat, so I finally did, and I put it down to my favorite 68. So we'll see how fast it gets. So let's take a look at the bathroom. I think I have the accessibility one. Yes. Well, no. Well, yeah, I think so. I think this is the accessibility one. Ooh. By the way, it's Steve Rogers' birthday. Happy 4th of July, but it's really Steve Rogers' birthday. Ooh, there's a vanity and a shower cap, my favorite. Here are the shareables, body lotion and hand soap. And I'm going to guess that the bathroom, oh, look how cute. They have Pixar colors. That's cute. Yeah, this is the disability, I think. So that's why I think, I'm going to guess, is why the curtain rods have the little round circles on it, so it's easier for people to grip. But yeah, the artwork's nice. I do appreciate this. I am, though, as I said, oh, here's full-length mirror. Like my dress. I got it a long time ago, but I'm finally breaking it out. And I got the matching ears. The matching ears did not come out at the same time this dress did. This dress came out like 1 year before the ears did, so I ended up having to get the ears later. Luckily, I saw them and I grabbed them, and I did because they were the exact same to the dress. Isn't it cute? All right, I will show you really quickly. Out in the hallway, I'm right next to the exit, number 500, because way down there, the elevator's over there. This hotel's not that big, but I think they did a really nice job. So it's nice and clean, crisp and clean. This is what we consider murder central because you're close to the exit. Where like, if you kill somebody, I guess it's just easy to take them down the stairs and not be seen by anybody. And, oh, room occupied, the monsters. And it's Sully and Mike. Well, that's pretty much it for the room tour. I mean, there's not much. Obviously, I haven't, like I said, I have a nice big room. Maybe that's why this room is a lot larger, because it is the accessibility one. And maybe the other ones are a little bit smaller. Who knows? But this is nice. So if you're able to get one of the, I guess, Murder Central rooms, you can, you know, get a larger room. This is really nice. Oh, my favorite, big drawers. I'm not staying here long enough to unpack my drawers. I also didn't bring that much clothes, but how cute is the little scroll on your room, welcome room area. Okay, I am hungry. I need lunch. I'm gonna head to the park. I'm gonna unpack, head to the park, and hopefully by the time I get to the park, it'll be less than 80 degrees. Oof. Oh, that's right. I forgot to show you. So I guess this is the Pixar welcome. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? They gave postcards. Oh my gosh. I love that. Oh my gosh. I don't think this is a postcard. Look, I can schedule a wake-up call from Town. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, amazing. Finally, Disney. Thank you for the cards. Even though this one is for their restaurant. This is the restaurant thing. It's not a card. It's not a postcard. This is a postcard though. Oh my goodness. Awesome. And then of course there's the room is there room service here? Oh, dining options. You basically go down to Great Maple and get that. I'm gonna actually eat there tomorrow. They also have a little cafe here, like a pickup place. So kind of like the coffee house at Disneyland Hotel. So you can just grab stuff and bring it up. I saw people doing that. I might do that too. But yeah, I'm gonna obviously go around the hotel, take some video and pictures, and then maybe I will grab some stuff downstairs and then come back. I love that. And put that postcard out so I remember to grab that later. And then, what is this? Welcome home. A free gift inside. What? What? Oh, yay. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I love that because you know what? I got, when I was at the villas, I got a special print too. And this is nice because it's on postcard like stock. That's awesome. Welcome home. Receive a gift. Oh, stop by Discovery guest and get a free gift. Another one? I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this. How cute is that? This is from Vacation Club. Yeah, that's why they want you to stop by their desk to get something else because they're going to sell you on the Vacation Club stuff. Now, I am a DVC member, as everybody probably already knows. I think it's well worth it, especially if you do a lot of Disney trips, and you know they're also part of a hotel chain. I think it's something I forgot. Sorry guys, I'll have to look it up later, and maybe I'll put the name in if I can remember it. But it's a chain of hotels that are outside the realm of Disney. So like if you wanted to go to London or Greece or you know, any other country, Tokyo. Well, Tokyo's not a country, it's a city. Japan, China, those places, they have hotels with this chain, and you can use your points at those hotels. Obviously, it's less points because they're not Disney, but I get this obviously, so I'm able to come to Disney hotels, especially the deluxe hotels in Orlando. Again, I would never, ever be able to afford the hotel rooms there if I didn't get them on points. And one of the things about the DVC thing is that you can pay over, you know, they'll set you up with a plan. You pay monthly, and so if you have your disposable income budget and it pays for the dues over time, it's kind of breaking up your big lump sum vacation budget into little small monthly increments, and then you're able to come out. So anyway, but I'm not selling you on DVC. Basically, that's one of the reasons why I do it. But look at the little keys. They did keys for this hotel. It's really cute. So now I have one that actually says Pixar Place Hotel. I have a bunch of other ones that just have Mickey Mouse on it and Disneyland Hotel and stuff. And then the California ones obviously have the Orange Grove on it. All right, like I said, I am gonna head out here and let's see, hold on. Anyway, so I'm gonna head out here and hit the park. First off, I'm gonna do the hotel because I mean, obviously the reason why I'm staying here is to kind of show off the hotel, see the things I haven't seen since they got renovated. I know that they do some character meet and greets here, so I don't know if I'm too late for that. Again, I'm here, I'm looking at the television as a clock, 12:11 or whatever, but I'm here for the whole day. I'm staying the night, so I don't think it's a big rush. I don't have a lot to do in the park. I really just came for the entertainment tonight because I did want to see the fireworks. I do want to run by, I'm going to check the character meet and greets in the park, and I will probably run over to meet, I'm hoping, Captain America. It is his birthday, by the way, so I am celebrating his birthday just because I have to be honest, I really wanted this to be a really fun trip, and I'm actually not in the most festive mood, but I'm making a effort to just try to do something fun and check my brain out for at least 2 days, and then go back to reality. So anyway, happier note, I want to bring you guys along. So thanks for checking out this room tour. I will add some more resort stuff, and then hopefully I'll have some nighttime stuff, and maybe in another video I will have like my lobster nachos and hopefully my interaction or my photos over at the park. I want to take some photos because I'm in a cute outfit. I'm just gonna say it. But I want to take some photos over at PhotoPass. So anyway, see me in another video. For right now though, hang on, because I'm gonna probably put in some of the resort pictures and a couple of videos just to show you guys around the hotel. And then, like I said, I'll see you in another video with the park stuff and the food and my PhotoPass stuff later. Thanks for following along. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. And there are more outlets on the desk. I don't necessarily know if this is an, oh yeah, I guess it's a plug. Oh, it's for the Keurig, but these are the outlets for the desk. Not bad. Okay, so really quickly, I just wanted to show everybody. Yay! They finally put little blocky things on these instead of, what do you call it? Instead of me having to stuff it with Kleenex. By the way, that's my exit. Of course, I'm right next to the exit, which I originally told you.